Sorry about the silent video. I was concentrating, but it is 6 o'clock in the morning here. So let me just zoom out. See, I've still got my cup of coffee. This was another lock by Daz. Great lock. Just going to try and work out the key. So it was number 93. Another fantastic lock by Daz. Really responsive, great feedback. He does really make a brilliant lock, like. So let's just see if we can zoom out a bit. I wasn't thinking I was going to pick it, to be fair. I mean, I was just recording just for the hell of it, like, to be honest. Oh, nice fresh coffee in the morning. So I'm going to get this one gutted. That was really light tension with the pry bar. And I picked it American style for a change, which I'm quite proud of. So we're going to get this open then. Try and keep that in frame. Still got the William Mansell knife, comes in really handy. Let's just see if we can get this open. It's very well wrapped. That's it. I wonder what the key bit's going to be like on this one. So the last one was ugly. That's it there. Nice bitten. I spoke to Daz yesterday on the phone, like, and he says with the locks he doesn't make them totally unpickable, which I can understand, otherwise they just end up in naughty buckets. But he makes them still challenging. Fair play to him. Right, so let's see what's in this puppy. I think this is a Schleg lock only because of the piece on the back. Get this to bloody focus. That's it. So with these you just push that pin down, spin the top back off, and then you can take it apart. So stay down, you little bugger. So it's got threads on the back, so I think oh, I'll tell you what I've got. I haven't done my parcel opening yet off Paul Springer. He sent us a really nice parcel. I don't want to say too much because I haven't made a full video on it yet, because I'm going to do a comparison video at the same time, but I can reveal it, give us some shims. Top bloke that Paul Springer is, sent it all the way from Australia. See if I can get them to work. Up to 2, that is. I can see why everybody raves about these, like, because they are brilliant. Look at that. Which means you can probably put any follower in. Or not. What am I doing wrong? That's a lot easier. No wonder everybody's got shimmed. Right, in one we have a serrated key pin. 2 we have a standard. 3 we have, looks like a stainless steel spring, that pin. 4 we've got a spool pin. These are all the key pins. 5 is a pin and pin. Gorgeous that is, mate. Jesus Christ. A pin and pin key pin. Outstanding, mate. And 6, a spool pin with a really sharp tip. As for the modifications to the plug, in 1 we've got threading, 2 looks undercut, 3 is threaded, 4, actually 2 and 4 I think are just, oh no, they've both got undercutting. You can see that, see the undercut, there and there. Camera doesn't want to focus today for some reason. And 6 is also threaded. Nicely done there, mate. It's all nice and clean cut, there's no mess. Lovely. Right. So number 1 we'll start with, I think. Remove the shim now. So number 1, look at the size of that thing. Lovely, mate. That was a serrated pin with a steel spring. Another serrated pin, huge thing again. Lovely jubbly. Spring hasn't come out of that one yet, it's just a short one, brass one. 4 is another serrated pin with a really sharp tip. That'll focus, come on, focus for you. That's it. I think it's got another short spring in. Yes, it has. And we've got another pin in pin. Nice work again there, mate. Must take your ear just to make these pins. That one slips in there like that. And a steel spring. We have a spool pin with a really sharp tip and a brass spring. Last but not least, under quite a lot of pressure, it's that little bugger. Look at that. Now the reasoning behind that pin is, with it having a 45-degree angle on like that, when you push the pin up from the bottom, it kicks the pin sideways, which then puts it into the threading which was in number 1. And coupled with the tip of that, which is nice and sharp, it gets caught in the threading. Quite a big spring in that one, it was under quite a bit of pressure. Look at the size of that bugger compared to the rest of the springs. Right, let me just look in there first, see if there's any modifications. No, The Bible was totally standard. Let's just have another look at that. So threading in 1, 3 and 6, and the rest were undercut. Sorry, 5 wasn't undercut. 2 and 4's undercut. 1, 3 and 6 is threaded. Lovely, mate. That was picked with that pick. Let's just line this up in some sort of fashion. That was Daz's lock, Daz Ever's lock, number 93. Tail piece behind there to stand it up. I'll have a quick close up